Okay, David, so welcome to this space today. Tantra is about love. It's about feeling from the heart, the conscious touch. So I just want you to relax today. We're going to take you on this journey. Just clear your mind. Let any feelings of anxiety just disappear. I'm just going to contact the hearts now. So just place your hand on my heart. I'm going to place my hand on your heart. If you just place your hand on top. We're contacting the heart chakras now, okay? They're connecting together. You can breathe in the energy from my heart into yours. And I'm going to breathe in your heart energy chakra. This is so there's no distance between us in the treatment and our bodies just merge together. And breathe in that energy for a moment. Just enjoy the sensation, enjoy the feeling. Let your mind go clear. Tantric massage. The meaning of Tantra is to weave or expand, and the 8 key principles of surrender, awareness, movement, breathing, sound, intention, acceptance and freedom interact together as one to create a beautiful dance that has no beginning or end, where the receiver is simply encouraged to surrender and allow their mind and body to explore their own personal sexuality and discover their true and authentic self. Prior to the massage, connection rituals are shared to ensure both giver and receiver feel completely at ease with one another and to encourage a stronger connection. It is unfortunate that due to Tantra being misinterpreted at times, it is not always shown the complete respect or given the recognition it deserves. As when practiced with an experienced therapist in an authentic and professional manner, the intention is always for healing, building pleasure slowly to allow the heart to open and mind to relax. It is only when this occurs that complete release can be felt throughout the body, which completely rejuvenates every aspect of our being. Tantra encourages us to remove the mask that so many of us wear, the outward face we may show to others, yet inside we may feel different. With the unconditional love and acceptance that is Tantra, we are able to gain the courage to truly express our true feelings and desires, free from any inhibitions or judgment. A tantric massage is not only beneficial for ourselves, but by actively practicing a tantric lifestyle, our relationships improve with our loved ones. As we begin to become more open, we are able to communicate more effectively, leading to a deeper connection, as the issue facing many individuals and couples is the hesitation to express our own personal needs and intimate desires for fear of being misunderstood. Tantra not only gives us more confidence to explore our own sexual pleasure, but opens the heart and mind, as you start to see the world around you in a completely different light, as you are taken on a journey of ever-changing emotions and a feeling of being completely and utterly loved and accepted for who you truly are. Any negative feelings or judgments simply fade away, as ultimately they always stem from fear and not having a complete understanding, and it is often those who are the most wary who need the most love. But with a willingness to trust and be open, you will discover a tantric massage is an encounter unlike any other, and it is only by experiencing it for yourself that you will discover the true beauty of Tantra and begin your own personal journey, which can be completely life-changing. Such is the power of this sacred therapy and chosen life path.